Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to download TikTok videos without watermark. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first things first, you have to launch your TikTok application. Let's just say you wanted to download this video right here, but you want to remove watermark. All you have to do is tap on the share button and click on copy link. You can now exit your TikTok application. Go to any web browser, for example, Google web browser. And then this time you have to search for a download TikTok video without watermark. Then you will see different sites that can help you download TikTok video without watermark. And one of this is this Snaptic. So tap on Snaptic, click this one. And then here you have to paste the link that you have copied earlier from your TikTok or TikTok URL. Tap on download. You will see options of the quality of the video below. So just click download. Then you will be notified that it is now starting to download. Once done, tap on open and you will see the result of the video without watermark. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.